Hello my crafty friends, it's Kathy coming to you from Scrap and Bean in Sherwood Park, Alberta, and today I wanted to share with you something that just arrived. I believe we've had the paper pads in before, but now we also have some more embellishments to go with it. It is called Little Robbin Redbreast, and it's perfect for spring, especially for card makers. This is the 12 by 12 pad, and you can tell from the cover already, look how sweet these little birds and bunnies and butterflies, little creatures, and all the garden plants that they're in. This paper pad has 40 double-sided sheets, so it's a really nice thick pad. You get lots of stuff that matches. We'll start at the beginning here, I guess. So even on the inside cover, I wouldn't throw that away when the paper pad's done. All of these things could be, cut out these with your paper trimmer, or if you like to do some fussy cutting, and use those as embellishments on your projects. And this one here, it's actually got a lot of gloss on there. So it's got some high gloss areas. 3, 4 sheets like that. Double-sided. Some of these I'll skip because there's multiple pages the same, but all very coordinated. Great for gardening type of scrapbooking or card making. These daisies are really sweet, eh? This one's great for planting gardens or pictures of harvesting your garden. This one is kind of a pearlized, so I know those kind of things don't show up on camera. You really have to come in and take a look at it and even leaf through it a little bit. This one's got some high gloss on it again. Makes it really interesting. And just some spring. Actually, this goes into a little bit of fall with some leaves in it. And this one even goes into a little bit of winter with snow. So this is like an all-season pack, perhaps. Yeah, it's got some snow on the back, and this is pearlized paper as well. And then on the inside of the back cover, again, there's images that you could use. Totally, and I would even use things from the back cover. So this is Little Robbin Redbreast. It also comes in a 6x6 paper pad, and is it the same? Some of them are the same. I thought I saw a few in here that were different, but now that I look at it again, yeah, they're the same. They're just miniature, and again on the inside covers, and I believe on the back side cover, yeah, lots of images that you can use there. They also have this pad of solid paper, so you get 20 double-sided sheets. So this gives you all the solid colors that match perfectly with the paper pads. There's an embossing folder here. It's a little bit hard to see, I'm sure on camera it looks like just plain white. Here's the design. That's what it looks like. So it gives you some nice 3D embossing. That's 5x7, but you can always use it for smaller cards too. There's rub-ons, so you're getting double of those. Chipboard pieces. There's a stamp set. Some nice pearls, and some washi tape. So come in and check that out.